to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step hair dryer installer. Y'all, I was looking high and low for it. My crazy self went to Walmart, y'all, looking for the blow dryer, and I seen this thing by Conair. Well, not this thing, because I thought this was a blow dryer, and I seen that it was on a rack for like $21, but when I get to the register it was $40. But anyways, that's besides the point. This is what I bought, thinking that it was this, but I'm gonna take it out the box and I'm gonna show y'all the difference. This is more like a steamer to me, but it wasn't what I was looking for. I was looking for this. If y'all want a review on this, which whether y'all want it or not, I'm gonna probably give y'all one, because I was so just like, what is this? I actually was recording a video, and then when I plugged it up and I realized it wasn't a blow dryer, I was kind of shook. It worked. So maybe I'll do a review or tutorial on how to use this. It's by Conair, but that's not what this video about. Y'all, was so ashamed. I thought that was a Revlon blow dryer, y'all, and it wasn't. When I plugged it up, I was upset. I was very upset, because I'm just like, baby, this is not what I asked for. But that was my fault. I should have read, and I didn't. So that was on me. I found the right one on Amazon. I think there was one for $37 and there was one for like $32. But I wanted the one that I seen. I wanted the one that I seen on YouTube. And I wanted to review it. And this is how it looked. So this is what I got. This is what I wanted. Finally got it, and we about to review today. We about to get into it. So it's plugged up, y'all, and this how it sounds, like a blow dryer. This is what I wanted. This is on low, high. Oh, so they only got cool, low, and high. So they got off, cool, low, high. We about to see, y'all. This is a blow dryer. This is a blow stretch dryer. The heat protectant that we're going to use today is by L'Oreal. I'm gonna put it on Tuesday. Cool setting, y'all. I don't think it's working for me, and I had seen a lot of videos saying that the cool setting wasn't really working. So we're gonna go on a high, and we're gonna go on a high, but we're not gonna keep it on the hair too long, because I don't want heat damages. First little piece. It took me a while to get that little piece straight. I guess I should kind of take my time when I'm going through, but this is the straightest I done got it so far. Y'all, I finished half of my head. Look at the length. Like, child, if I flat iron my hair, I'm sure it's down my back. I am sure, sis. But look at this gray, y'all. I gotta get rid of this. Like, I swear I'm 25 years old, and I've been having gray hair since maybe 11. But this is the blow dried side, and this is the naturally curly side. I didn't do anything to this but wash and condition it, didn't put no product in it. And I'm so proud of the way it looked. Like, sis, I'm about to be able to do wash and goes finally, with my hair just being so healthy and happy by itself. So I am seeing a little steam, y'all, coming from the blow dryer, but my hair don't smell burnt. I know y'all seen me check it, but this is like my second time really using direct heat on my hair. I still, in 2 years, you guys, 2. I don't think it's going to be any heat damage because I am using a heat protectant. Y'all, this is the finished product using the Revlon One Step hair dryer and styler, and I must say I am absolutely in love. This is the, I want to say this is the most stretched my hair has been in a long time, y'all. Like, I did stretch it with that steamer that I told y'all about earlier, like maybe a month ago. Probably not a month ago. Yeah, maybe a month ago. And I don't feel like it was this stretched. I don't feel like it was. This is the one product, well, the two products. The two products that I used today. The heat protectant by L'Oreal and the Revlon blow dryer brush thingy majingy. Something that you could take away from this video is that there are only 3 settings, which is cool, low, and high. The cool did not want to do right in the beginning. I didn't feel like it was doing anything but playing with my hair. The low still didn't do anything. They should have just had a medium. That probably would have did a lot. The high got my hair this long, so I do recommend this. If you do buy this, I think that you should immediately go to the high. Don't waste your time like I wasted mine. And just make sure you have your heat protectant on your hair, your moisturizers or whatever you want to do to your hair before you use the blow dryer, just like you would use any other blow dryer. Do I think this is better than the regular blow dryer? In a sense, yes, because with the regular blow dryer, it's hard to hold a blow dryer and be brushing your hair, trying to get, you know, trying to stretch your hair. This, it blow dry and brush your hair. So I think that it is what it said it is, one step. So I definitely will recommend this. And the back of this do get really, really hot. So that's just a heads up. But anywho, if you found this video informative or helpful in any way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumb it up. If you enjoy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there or right there. I think the subscribe button down there. That's all I got for y'all today. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.